Oppo K12s unboxing and review, powerful battery, stunning display, and more. Exciting news for smartphone enthusiasts. Oppo has just unveiled the K12s, a fresh addition to its popular K series, and it's already making waves. While it may share some DNA with the recently launched Oppo K13 in India, the K12s brings its own flair to the table with added features like NFC, more memory options, and a stylish new color choice. At the heart of the Oppo K12s is the powerful Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC, ensuring smooth performance for all your apps and games. The device boasts a stunning 6.67-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making every scroll and swipe a delight. But that's not all. This smartphone is equipped with a colossal 7,000 mAh battery that supports 80W fast charging, so you can spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your device. Running on Android 15 with ColorOS 15 right out of the box, the K12s promises a user-friendly experience. While we're still waiting to see if it will receive the same software support as its sibling K13, which includes 2 years of OS upgrades and 3 years of security updates, the initial specs are certainly impressive. Photography lovers will appreciate the K12s dual camera setup, featuring a 50MP main camera paired with a 2MP monochrome sensor for stunning shots. Plus, there's a 16MP front-facing camera for those perfect selfies and video calls. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint scanner for quick access, stereo speakers for immersive sound, and an IP65 rating for water and dust resistance. The Oppo K12s comes in 3 eye-catching colors: black, purple, and white, and offers a variety of memory configurations to suit your needs. Choose from 8GB per 128GB, 8GB per 256GB, 12GB per 256GB, or 12GB per 512GB, with prices starting at 1,199 Chinese yuan, approximately $165, and going up to 1,799 Chinese yuan, around $245. Mark your calendars. The Oppo K12s will be available for purchase in China starting April 25th through Oppo's official website. If you're eager to learn more about this exciting new device, don't miss our hands-on review of the Oppo K13.